Hello, mushroom mavens! Time for another Mushroom Minute, brought to you by the Mushroom Network. Today, let's explore the delightful world of Shimeji mushrooms, known scientifically as Hypsizygus tessellatus. But before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you don't miss out. Shimeji mushrooms are a staple in East Asian cuisine. They have a nutty, buttery flavor and a firm, crunchy texture, making them such a tasty delight. These mushrooms are also known for their health benefits too. They contain beta-glucans, which are known to boost the immune system. Ever wondered why Shimeji mushrooms are often sold in clusters? That's because they naturally grow this way, attached to wood or in various decomposing wooded debris. From your plate to your health, Shimeji is a powerhouse of a mushroom. Discover more amazing mushroom genetics at the Mushroom Network Marketplace, or why not take a free or paid for mycology course at our Mushroom Academy? And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe for even more interesting tidbits.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our mushroom network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.